Hi everyone, this morning we've been mountain biking and we've been up some steep hills through some bush. Bush is like forest. What else have we done, Hiroko?
Hi.
We have seen some beautiful ocean. So are you tired, Hiroko?
Yes, a little tired.
A little tired?
Yes.
But is it good?
Yes, good exercise.
Good exercise, yeah. So Hiroko, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I ride on blow cart.
You rode on the blow carts.
Yes. It was exciting.
Yeah, exciting. Cool.
And then I went to Keti.
Yeah, you went to Keti Keti?
Keti was Manual art art.
Yep. So it's like a mural art.
Mural art.
Yep. So what does mural mean?
Mural is picture on the wall.
Okay, so a mural is the picture on the wall. So Keti Keti is famous. It's called the Mural Town.
Yes.
So did you take lots of photographs?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Great. And do you think we should go and find a cafe now and have a drink?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and find a cafe. We're meeting Roz, Daniel and Benjamin for a picnic lunch. So we'll have lunch and then we'll bike back. Cycling is quite popular in New Zealand and Tauranga has many beautiful places to cycle. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.